Alright guys, so I'm back with another video here, and what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to test your dryer components and to tell if it's bad or not. It's a very easy, simple process. You can either set, if you have a multimeter, you can go ahead and set it to ohms, or if you have a one with the beep setting, I like to use the beep setting. It's much more simple. You just test it. So what I have here is I have two elements, and this element right here, you can't see it, but on the underneath there's a split in the pool, so there's no connection. You can hear now I'm going to come over here to this one and I'll show you. You can see where this one here is good and this one is no good. So on your thermostats and your fuses, it is all the exact same. There's a thermal fuse that I'll pop a picture up of real quick. And you do the exact same thing with that as you do these. This one right here is no good. You can see there's no sound. And right here, this one right here, this is your high limit thermostat, which is located right here on the side of the element. And as you can see, when you touch these two prongs together, you get good connection and good signal. So it means everything's working as it should. And like I said before, this one right here is your high limit thermostat. It's located right here on the side. Next one that we're going to go to, it's going to be your thermal cutoff right here. And it's the exact same way you take it, you touch it. If you hear sound or you get no reading, or you get sound and you get a reading, then you're good. Your next one here is your cyclone thermostat. And all these are the exact same way. The thermal fuse, the thermal cutoff, all of them is the exact same way. If you get a beep or you get a reading, then you're good. If not, you need to replace these components. Thanks for watching.